I just watched the Samsung S8 event and I just wanted to do a short video recap of all the things that they mentioned. First thing you should know is that the Samsung S8 and S8 Plus will be available on April 21st. The S8 has a 5.8-inch screen and the Plus version has a 6.2-inch screen. This is a new design and they basically renamed the edge to the infinity display and expanded the screen. The phone also features both an iris and the facial recognition, and of course the headphone jack. The home button, instead of being here on the S7, is now located under the infinity display and also has haptic feedback. Here's a picture of the home button that's on the display. And the phone also will come in 5 colors. The first color right here is the midnight black. The second is the orchid gray. The coral blues coming back, and the Arctic silver and the maple gold. Samsung also improved the front-facing camera by increasing it to 8 megapixels, and they added the autofocus. And the rear camera also has 12 megapixels with the multi-frame processor. The screen features, I think they said, have about 500,000 megapixels, and it now has a mobile HDR premium certification, which means that the colors in movies and such are really accurate. There's also a new 10nm processor, and it improves the CPU performance by 10% and the GPU performance by 21%. The S8 will have a 3000 milliamp battery, and the Plus edition has the 3500 milliamp battery. Samsung did mention that they did an 8-point battery safety check to ensure it's safe to use. The phone does still have a fingerprint scanner, but it's been moved to the back of the phone, right behind the camera, or right next to the camera. Let's see. The S8 has some new apps and features. Look, this one right here is one of their main ones. It's Bixby. So it's basically Siri but improved. There's some new features, interesting features, that it understands context, so you can use Bixby with your camera to search for similar images online. Like once you take a picture, you click image right here, and it'll give you the search results for the similar ones. Or you could take a picture, click shopping, and it'll make a list of products that look similar, or maybe it's even it, and you can purchase it directly from your phone. Or if you're traveling and you take a picture of a location, it'll tell you things to do around the area and places to eat and such. Some of the other apps and features is the Samsung Pass, which allows iris scanning to log into some apps instead of having to type in the password. Another update to the Samsung Health app is added. And now includes an Ask an Expert feature, so you can connect to a live doctor to answer your questions. And it says they will be available in the United States, China, and Korea when it's released. And I think the last app is the Samsung Connect app, and it's going to connect all and control all of the smart home devices. Let's see. Oh, and Samsung did mention a few new products. The first one is the Samsung Connect Home Router that could be used with the Connect app to make sure everything connects together well. The second thing to mention right here is the Gear 360. It's the new version. This one's more portable, so it's smaller, a better grip, so you don't have to use that one tripod. And with the 4K, you can now live broadcast 360 videos and share it directly on YouTube, Facebook, and a couple of other sites. The last thing to mention is the Samsung DeX, or DeX. You can plug your phone into a dock here's a picture of the dock. For a desktop experience, you could use facial recognition to log in. There's also a keyboard and a mouse that you can use, and all the keyboard shortcuts will work. The mouse you can use drag and drop to for attachments in your email. All your apps on there, but basically on a desktop format. And that's basically it. Oh, and they're working with other companies to do edits and like such as Microsoft Word and stuff, so you can edit documents and everything. And yeah, that's basically everything that they mentioned at the event. Thanks for watching.